breaking news this morning. A government shutdown now underway. Lawmakers remaining deadlocked, failing to agree on a funding plan.
The midnight deadline coming and going, leaving many wondering what happens next. Aziza Shuler joins us live here in studio with more details. Aziza.
Good morning. Well, the effects of this partial government shutdown will depend on how long it lasts. The Congressional Budget Office estimates about 750,000 federal employees will be furloughed each day, and several agencies will be on pause. As the clock struck midnight, the U.S. Senate adjourned in a stalemate, failing to reach a deal on federal funding. A Republican-led short-term spending bill could not garner the bipartisan support needed to fund the government through November 21st.
Senate Democrats said no. Why? Because far-left interest groups and far-left Democrat members wanted a showdown with the president.
The bill falling 5 votes short of the required 60 to pass. All but 2 upper chamber Democrats standing firm on their demands from the GOP to reverse cuts to Medicaid and extend health care allowances, including benefits from the Affordable Care Act that expired this year.
We need to deal with this health care crisis now, not later. But the Republican bill fails to do that.
We're not going to support a partisan Republican spending bill that continues to gut the health care of the American people. Not now, not ever.
Furloughs and potential layoffs will halt some government operations, but benefits like Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security will continue, although there could be delays. Other essential agencies such as the TSA, FBI, CIA, and even the military will continue working without pay. National parks like Patterson Great Falls in New Jersey, the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island, which welcome upwards of 20,000 visitors a day, could potentially remain open but unstaffed.
A lot of good can come down from shutdowns. We can get rid of a lot of things that we didn't want, and they'd be Democrat things.
It's been 7 years since the last government shutdown during President Trump's first term. That one lasted 35 days, the longest in the country's history, and cost the government roughly $3 billion.
Well, the Democrats want to shut it down, so when you shut it down, you have to do layoffs. So we'd be laying off a lot of people that are going to be very affected.
Congress is back in session today, and Senate Majority Leader John Thune says he's hoping that at least 7 Democrats will change their votes to reopen the government. Chris.